Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll tell you about the 3i Sky Arrow. Now, this is the start of me making videos about every aircraft. Now, the list is from Wikipedia. Now, even though the list is from Wikipedia, I will try to avoid using other stuff from Wikipedia. I'll only use Wikipedia if there's no other place for me to find information. Now, to make sure that I don't cheat and use Wikipedia when I don't need to, I'll be using citations. There'll be a link to the citations in the description. But anyways, let's talk about it. The Sky Arrow, just in case you forgot. The Sky Arrow aircraft is the result of an important research program supported by the Italian government. In 1990, 3i obtained a research contract called Rondine Project from the Italian government for the industrial design of a remotely controlled aerial aircraft system, the Sky Arrow. The Rondine Project started in 1991 and ended in 1996 when the Sky Arrow was fully certified by the Italian Airworthiness Authority, or RAI. I'm not sure why it would be called RAI. It probably has something to do with the Italian way of spelling Italian Airworthiness Authority. But anyway, let's continue. The Sky Arrow has been the first all-carbon fiber aircraft to be certified for general aviation in the world. In 1997, the Italian government approved a company's project for the design of a system called RAWAS, Remotely Assisted Working Aerial System, which uses the Sky Arrow aircraft as an aerial platform and aims to perform patrolling missions, environmental monitoring, and territory control. The Sky Arrow aircraft has been produced since 1996 by Iniziative Industriali Italiane. I don't know if I said that right. I probably did not. Maybe I should ask my Italian friend, Aviation. But anyway, let's continue. Or 3i, an Italian company with a long and successful experience in manufacturing FAA/FAR-23 certified airplanes. The Sky Arrow has two seats in tandem configuration, a layout that allows the pilot to have up to 300 degrees of visibility. The wing is above the fuselage and a pushing propeller is placed behind the cabin. As a result, pilot's visibility is increased. In addition, sensors and devices used for surveillance and research missions, usually installed in the nose or on the bottom of the fuselage, are not disturbed by the propeller wake. 3i entered bankruptcy proceedings on the 21st of May 2008, and in 2012 the 3i Sky Arrow design was purchased by Magnacchi Aeronautica. The Sky Arrow has been manufactured and marketed since 2012 by the new Italian owner, Magnacchi Aeronautica. Now for some specifications. There are a few versions of the Sky Arrow, but the version that these specifications are for is the Sky Arrow 650 TCN. The power plant used is the 81 horsepower Rotax 912 F81. The propeller used is the Hoffman 2-blade fixed pitch propeller with a 66-inch diameter. Now, it didn't say that it was 66 inches in diameter, it says something like that, but I'm pretty sure it meant 66-inch diameter. But you can check the citations and you can see this data where I got it from. The length of the aircraft is 24 foot and 11 inches. The height is 8 foot and 5 inches. The wingspan is 31 foot and 10 inches. The wing area is 146 square feet. The amount of seats is 2. It has an empty weight of 925 pounds. It has a maximum gross weight of 1,433 pounds. It has a useful load of 508 pounds. It has a payload with full fuel of 400 pounds. It has a takeoff distance of 781 feet. It has a rate of climb at sea level of 600 feet per minute. It has a service ceiling of 13,500 feet. It has a landing distance of 443 feet. It has a maximum demonstrated crosswind component of 15 knots. And now that's enough for specifications. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.